called Earth with an endless travel around the sun. Earlier, our spacecraft was blessed with a variety of life support systems that sufficiently provided the basic needs of billions of inhabitants. Subsequently, the population has damaged the ecological cycle and balance of the spacecraft called nature, upon which all life depends. Today, we are all experiencing ecological crisis. Mother Earth is pleading for sustainable conservation and environmental protection because its air, water, and land, which are all systems of the ecological balance of nature, are all polluted by harmful human activities. These harmful human activities bring too much carbon dioxide in the air, causing global warming, the increase of the world's temperature. It is caused by the greenhouse effect. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not yet too late for us to do something and contribute beneficial activities to rebuild and restore Mother Earth. This is a challenge to all of us. This is our global responsibility. We must safeguard the limited resources of the Mother Earth. We must conserve and reuse them. We must stop abusing of the fundamental life support systems and reduce other environmental deterrents. Standing together with hope, let us do our share and part in restoring Mother Earth as the only planet which we will ever have. We have to act now while there is still time. If not, we will all pay the penalty, which is our own destruction. We are the managers of Earth. We are liable for what will happen to our environment. This is the responsibility laid upon our shoulders, and it is written in the Holy Scriptures. Man was created to have dominion over everything on earth. Man has to manage and take care of it, being his temporary home. He has the right to use its natural resources, but it is his duty to protect and develop not only for his present consumptions, but for the sustainability for the generations that are yet to come. Man is the manager of Earth. You